Hope you had a good weekend. Rod Hill coming to you later on a Sunday than I normally do. I played golf this afternoon and I'm just getting everything finished after getting home in terms of a forecast. And the forecast, not too bad, by the way, but we do have more rain coming. It's what, 7:42 right now, coming to you from the Portland, Vancouver areas I normally do. And then the monitor behind me and on my computer screen in purple, that is a winter weather advisory for snow up and down the Cascades. This is in effect tonight through 11 o'clock tomorrow morning. Let's click on this and see what the National Weather Service is saying. Snow expected, talking up in the Cascades. The snow level, by the way, as low as 3,000 feet or slightly lower than that early tomorrow morning, and generally 3,000 to no warmer than 4,000 feet during the day. So if you go down to the 3,000 foot level, you've got 2 to 8 inches of snow up through the pass level and 6,000 feet. And then when you get up higher on the mountain, they're saying 10 to 14 inches. But I really think it looks to be about a half of an inch of total moisture available tomorrow morning, late tonight, early tomorrow morning. So, 2 to 8 inches from pass level up through timberlines, probably where you're going to find that. So we'll see if we get several inches at pass level or not. That would slow up travel. That is not a slam dunk, but certainly when we talked about this last week, a big enough possibility that there is significant snow at pass level tomorrow morning that you should check conditions and be prepared if you're traveling over the Cascades. It's already getting colder up there. So at 7 o'clock in the evening, or now 7:43, it's 29 at Timberline, 35 at Meadows, 32 at Ski Bowl. You see Ski Bowl, their snow's melting away up there. Government Camp, 33. So again, it's going to get colder tonight. Reason to believe that it's anywhere from 30 to 32 early tomorrow morning with the thicker moisture coming in and snow falling that would accumulate. The passes are all good right now, but they're chilly. Willamette Pass 34, Santiam 33. So the temps are in a good spot to get down to freezing tonight and allow snow to accumulate over the Cascades. Now, during the day tomorrow, Government Camp 37, Tuesday 39. And there's another chance of some snow over the passes Tuesday morning, but we get warmer during the afternoon, and then daytime travel quickly becomes in pretty good shape. So that's the big headline tonight. You can see it behind me, the winter weather advisory overnight tonight into tomorrow morning for the Cascades. Hey, I am thrilled to introduce to you the Momentus Wealth podcast. Momentus Wealth Management, Todd Pisarcik's team, who I've known for a long time. They do my finances for me. They're located up in Vancouver, but they're licensed in Oregon and Washington. And Todd's trying to get more eyeballs on his podcast. So they are the title sponsor of my YouTube channel right now. So if you listen to podcasts, just search Momentus Wealth Podcast in both the Apple Store and then listen on Spotify. It's an easy search with this logo. It will come right up. Obviously, Todd's going to be talking about a number of financial topics, some of them complex. And he's really good at giving you insight that makes sense and is easy to understand. And he'll speak largely on evidence-based strategies that will help you with your finances, even if it's just as simple as understanding the mutual funds that your 401ks hold. So again, Momentus Wealth Podcast. You'll do me a big favor if you'll listen to his podcast and check it out, and maybe you'll get hooked. And thank Todd for supporting my YouTube channel. Okay, let's move on and let's get to the radar. The weekend, overall the forecast was okay. It looks like we were upper 50s both days for highs. Both days have seen some rain. You can see showers lighting up the radar on the left. Heavier rain right now, showers outside of Centralia and Olympia. A little bit of rain over Kelso, a little bit of rain that's moved through McMinnville. And the big story with that winter weather advisory up in the Cascades is the fact that we have a low pressure center coming in first thing tomorrow morning. Down here, you can see where my cursor is, the upper level low, the enclosed contours on the 500 millibar flow. This is going to be bringing likely rain to the valley first thing tomorrow morning. Pardon me. And likely snow up into the Cascades. Now, if you look back here, there's a second low. And that's going to have the same timing. That's going to come in Tuesday morning and bring another threat of snow to the Cascades and more likely valley rain. If you look over here to the right, no lightning showing up for any of this. The lightning are the X's you see well inland, but nothing offshore. So, with all that said, it looks like we have Monday morning rain to showers and then Tuesday morning rain to showers. So, two kind of copycat days. Here's what the National Blended Model is showing in terms of their future radar product. This is 5 o'clock tomorrow morning. This does not show a lot of rain up around Seattle, but it does from Portland down through Eugene. And as I play this into the afternoon, here we are getting into 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and you can see some showers over Portland, but most of the rain has already moved through and actually some drying over along the coast. And then this will play me into early Tuesday morning. Here we are. There's that next shot of rain. Again, the models keep this more south of Salem, more south of Seattle, pardon me, with the bullseye of the rain pretty much over Portland down into Salem and as far south as Eugene. This will move on Tuesday and we'll see some drier weather in the afternoon. Now, the difference between Monday and Tuesday is that Tuesday looks to be a lot more unstable. So you can make the case that we get some rain Monday morning and then Monday afternoon is really pretty quiet. But Tuesday we get rain followed by scattered heavy showers and maybe even a rumble of thunder in the afternoon because we're unstable with that second low that's coming in. So that's the timing the next couple of days. Look how much snow the same weather model shows up over the Cascades. So again, here are the Cascades, are the Olympics. Here's some snow showers out over the Blues as well. Again, this is what falls tomorrow morning, mainly. And this shows, oh my goodness, when you get up in elevation, remember the Weather Service showed over a foot at higher elevations. Their wording was above 5,000 feet. This shows 14 inches. I can't believe there's that type of snow available for timberline. I really think it's going to be more like maybe there's anywhere from 1 to 4 inches of pass level tomorrow. And maybe we get 6, 7, 8 of meadows and timberline, but we'll see. The modeling likes even higher amounts. So it's definitely something to keep an eye on. Okay, some of you told me you don't like this, and I get it. There's lots of dashes, and it's hard to find your bearings on this. This is the National Weather Service GFS model. This is their surface map. The green areas represent heightened rain chances. So this is tomorrow. This is Tuesday morning. We saw the low coming in tomorrow. Here's the next low where you see the enclosed isobar Tuesday morning, and here's Portland right here, bringing some rain in the morning hours. And then we'll just go ahead and fast forward this into tomorrow afternoon. It still shows showers lingering. And see how these blue contours, these are what they call thickness contours. They help us forecasters decide what the temperature of the air mass is going to be. So I will tell you that right here, this 534 dash line, that's a 3,000 foot snow level Tuesday afternoon with unstable air and the chances of some rumbles of thunder. Now it looks like, and all the models basically are in agreement. Here's Wednesday. See Wednesday, see the H? That's a high pressure system moving in. So we have one dry day on Wednesday. We may get some morning cloudiness Wednesday. It's a possibility. If we don't get morning cloudiness, we'll have a lot of sun. It will really be a nice day. But then just like that, we have another system coming in Thursday. So here's Thursday morning. See the green? This is a weakening front that comes in, but it will bring us some likely rain during the day Thursday. And then we get back to a dry Friday. See the high pressure system kind of sandwiched in? That gives us a dry Friday. See how the contour dash lines are red now? That's warmer air. Remember that when I first talked about these dash lines, they were blue. That's colder. The red is warmer. Friday's the day that could hit 70. And then the system over the weekend is interesting because here it is Saturday morning. Did you see this low? It quickly dives into California. So it's wet weather in California. Is it going to throw showers up in the rotation to the north and to us, or will the rain stay to our south? Right now, I think there's at least a chance of some showers Saturday for us. It'll be a fairly warm flow because everything's coming up from the south. And I think right now, Sunday, see how that low's way down into California, that Sunday would be dry. But understand the weekend's kind of up in the air right now because of that low, and it's tough to tell if it's going to throw rain showers up our direction this far north or not. Okay, well, it's getting late in the day. Some of the cameras are really pretty. There's a Gerhardt by the Sea from looking at Tillamook Head. Here are some stormy looking clouds. Cathedral Ridge Winery out in the gorge, definitely Camas Meadows, some dark clouds. But look at the sun over in Sun River. Clouds up in the Cascades at 1,500 feet. Let's see here, some rain. These are just kind of cool cameras. Elk Ridge Golf Course looks like a shower out in the gorge. there's some breaks in cloud cover downtown Portland from the Portland Spirit Landing. So I really enjoy my live camera network. We've got 18 properties. I hope you'll bookmark this page from my weather site, portlandweather.com, and use it. It's really a lot of fun. I just want to jump to Portland 7-day real quick. Well, I know. Yeah, let's go ahead and do this because we're getting late on time. Portland 7-day forecast, 58 tomorrow, early rain, drier in the afternoon with a shower chance. Tuesday, early rain, but then scattered heavy showers, maybe a rumble of thunder, 58. Wednesday's the dry day. Thursday, we saw some rain. None of these days look like they get more than a quarter of an inch at most. Friday, dry and 70. And then the weekend, you can make the case if the rain stays to the south over the weekend, you can make the case that we would get up to 70 degrees. So that is your 7-day forecast. You can always find forecasts for the entire Northwest region by going to my weather site. For now, I'm Rod Hill, and I will talk to you soon.